It depends on the position that you are applying for. You can always check naman sa job postings. Doon nakalagay yung details kung ano yung education, yung work experience, training, and eligibility required for the open position. For office or administrative position, so I will be speaking based on my experiences. You can start with administrative assistant 1. If I can remember it right, hindi siya nagre-require ng relevant training. Dito sa agency na pinagtatrabahuhan ko ha. But again, mas maganda pa rin kung meron kang trainings. That is your edge. So my tip is for you to undergo trainings kahit online man yan as long as merong ini-issue'ng certificate. Kasi maliban sa makaka-comply ka sa required na hours of relevant trainings, kung meron man, makaka-acquire ka pa ng bagong knowledge. I hope this helps. If it does, do not forget to repost and share.